Balochistan Public Service Commission (BPSC). MCQs test for the post of sub-engineer B-11. Held on December 29, 2025. Question 1. Pozzolanic materials react with. Answer: B. Lime. Question 2. Slump test is performed for. Answer: D. Fresh concrete. Question 3. Concrete is strong in. Answer: B. Compression. Question 4. A theodolite is used for measuring. Answer: C. Both distances and angles. Question 5. An error due to temperature is A. Answer: A. Cumulative error. Question 6. Benchmark represents. Answer: D. Reduced level. Question 7. Plane table surveying is best suited for. Answer: C. Small-scale mapping. Question 8. Total station works on. Answer: A. Laser and EDM. Question 9. What reading is taken first with dumpy level? Answer: B. Backside BS. Question 10. The correction for sag in a tape is always. Answer: C. Negative. Question 11. Wrought iron, blank, easily. Answer: D. Weld. Question 12. Bauxite is an ore of. Answer: C. Aluminium. Question 13. Glass used in manufacture of windscreen is called. Answer: A. Laminated glass. Question 14. Link roads that connect highways with commercial areas and service areas are called. Answer: B. Slip road. Question 15. Transverse slope given in the road surface is called. Answer: A. Camber. Question 16. Right-of-way consists of. Answer: D. Carriageway plus shoulders plus side drain plus side slope. Question 17. Concrete pavements are also called. Answer: C. Rigid pavements. Question 18. Scratching of old plaster or paint is called. Answer: A. Hackling. Question 19. Drip irrigation system is also called. Answer: B. Trickle. Question 20. Drop of a canal bed at suitable places is termed as. Answer: B. Fall. Question 21. Number of horizontal cross hairs in stadia diaphragm theodolite is. Answer: C. 3. Question 22. P-traps are used to prevent. Answer: B. Bad smell. Question 23. Pedestal-type water closet is called. Answer: D. European. Question 24. Formula for correction of slope CG is. Answer: A. CG equals h squared 2L. Question 25. PPRC stands for. Answer: D. Polypropylene random copolymer. Question 26. Jointing method used for PVC fitting is. Answer: B. Solution. Question 27. Most suitable pH value of portable drinking water is. Answer: D. 8 to 9.5. Question 28. The center of gravity from the base of a triangle of height h is. Answer: C. H3. Question 29. A survey carried out very fastly to view the area is termed as. Answer: B. Reconnaissance survey. Question 30. The raw material used in the construction of glass is called. Answer: C. Silica. Question 31. 5730 D gives. Answer: A. Radius of circle. Question 32. Center of a curve is called. Answer: B. Vertex. Question 33. CPM stands for. Answer: A. Critical path method. Question 34. Trickling filter is also known as. Answer: C. Percolating tank. Question 35. Tempering of earth in brick construction is done in. Answer: B. Pug mill. Question 36. Raw umber in paints is used to get the color. Answer: A. Gray. Question 37. Layers of bitumen sprayed at DPC normally. Answer: B. 2. Question 38. Smallest unit of a project is. Answer. B. Activity. Question 39. Maximum number of steps in a flight of stairs is. Answer. D. 12. Question 40. Minimum width of landing of stairs is. Answer. C. 100 centimeters. Question 41. The bearing capacity of soil is blank if groundwater table is nearer. Answer. A. Lower. Question 42. The stone masonry used of properly dressed stones is called. Answer. A. Ashlar. Question 43. A view showing full size of an inclined surface of an object is. Answer. D. Auxiliary view. Question 44. A triangle having 3 equal sides and angles is called. Answer. A. Isolate as per given paper. Question 45. Number of surfaces of a triangular prism. R. Answer. A. 5. Question 46. Percentage of silica in ordinary Portland cement is. Answer. D. 20–25%. Question 47. Fixing the direction of a room or building is called. Answer. A. Orientation. Question 48. Change in length per unit length is called. Answer. C. Strain. Question 49. Squeezing out of free water from cement mix is termed as. Answer. D. Bleeding. Question 50. After planing the wooden surface, it is further smoothened by. Answer. D. File. Question 51. Total horizontal distance of stairs is known as. Answer. A. Run. Question 52. According to thumb rule, breadth of 9-inch thick wall is. Answer. C. 27 inches. Question 53. AutoCAD is a software and the proprietor is. Answer. D. Autodesk. Question 54. The value of moment of inertia is minimum at the. Answer. A. Center. Question 55. A load that acts on a single point is called. Answer. C. Point load. Question 56. A strut is a. Answer. A compression member. Question 57. During laying of brick masonry, frog of brick is laid. Answer. A. Upward. Question 58. Stone used as covering for roof and DPC is. Answer. A. Slate. Question 59. For ordinary soil, factor of safety is taken as. Answer. D. 3. Question 60. The primary purpose of seasoning timber is to. Answer. B. Reduce moisture content. Question 61. The least count of measuring tape is. Answer. B. 1 mm. Question 62. The minimum curing period for concrete is. Answer. C. 7 days. Question 63. DPC is provided to prevent. Answer. B. Water rising by capillarity. Question 64. The most suitable roof for heavy rainfall areas is. Answer. B. Sloped roof. Question 65. Scaffolding is used for. Answer. C. Working at height. Question 66. The minimum thickness of RCC slab is. Answer. C. 100 mm. Question 67. The most suitable foundation for black cotton soil is. Answer. C. Pile foundation. Question 68. In earthquake-resistant construction, shear walls resist. Answer. B. Lateral loads. Question 69. Moment of inertia of a rectangle about its centroidal axis is. Answer. C. B cubed h12. Question 70. A column fails by buckling when it is. Answer. B. Long.